Discover Vermont Inn walking tours, where luxurious adventure meets timeless memories, crafted for discerning travelers. Stroll through Southern Vermont's enchanting landscapes and iconic towns by day, and relax in the comfort of one of our partner inns by night. Experience the journey of a lifetime with Vermont Inn walking tours. Your unforgettable walking adventure awaits. Here's a glimpse of what's in store. Vermont is ski heaven of the East, and one of Vermont's crown jewels is Okemo Mountain. Sporting over 100 trails for winter enjoyment, this majestic beauty abounds with year-round activities, including mountain biking, hiking, festivals, zip lines, and much more. As you descend to the village of Ludlow, feel the flavor of Germany's alpine life as you enter the Governor's Inn, where you will be regaled with German hospitality and foods. Embrace the charm of Southern Vermont. Our self-guided walking tours, available from May through the end of October, are ready to welcome your footsteps. Embark on a serene journey of discovery unlike any other. Don't miss out on this unforgettable experience. Book your extraordinary getaway at vermontintoinwalking.com today.